Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Eat, Live and Love. So today I'll be doing my favorites for the month of November. November is my birthday month, so it's very important month for me. So if I have to talk about my favorite, then he is my most favorite person on the earth. So this month there are not a lot of things that I can show you because I am trying to be as minimalist as possible. I am trying to order only those things and buying only those things that are required as of now. I'm not stocking up things, and that's why I don't have a lot of things to show you. But there are a few favorites which I would really want to show you guys, and so let's get into the video. The first thing that I want to show you guys is my birthday outfit. I already wore this outfit and I have a video where I have vlogged the entire day. If you want to watch that, then I'll link somewhere here. You can watch that. You can also watch how I was looking wearing this birthday outfit gifted by my husband. So it's a normal black palazzo and a black kurta. I have been wanting a black kurta and palazzo for the longest time, but I didn't know that what I will pair that with because I was not getting the perfect dupatta. So I recently came across this gorgeous dupatta that also I have talked about in my previous video, this one, and I loved it. I also have another Banarasi dupatta which will also go with this kurta and palazzo. So that's why, keeping that in mind, I ordered this palazzo and kurta, and I'm loving it. I actually loved it. The quality of the material is very nice, and I also loved how both of them are complementing each other, and that's why this is one of my favorite things for the month of November. So yeah, this is the first thing that I wanted to show you guys. Now I have a few of food items as usual because I'm a foodie and I love to experiment with food. And recently I started having a sandwich in the morning. Also, breakfast is a meal which is very important, and I have 2 pairs of sandwiches which is filling. So here are the 3 dressings which I currently have, and I'm having it a lot and I'm loving it. So that's why I wanted to show you. So the first one is from Dr. Oetker Fun Foods pizza topping. Now this can be used like if you want to make pizza and all, and also you can use this in your sandwich, which will make it delicious. I mean, I actually love this, and I'm going to rebuy this again because this has become my favorite out of the 3 that I have right now. It's available everywhere in all the supermarkets, I guess, and it's easily available. The second one is this dip from Wingreen's Farms. It's peri peri garlic dip, traditionally made. I love this one. This is also easily available. This is extra spicy, so I love anything spicy, and that's why I was looking for something which is spicy. And this is really yummy. And the third one is this tandoori hummus from, again, Wingreen's Farms. This one. Now if you use this only this on your sandwich, then it won't taste very good because this doesn't taste that good, but it adds a little bit of flavor to the toast. And if you mix this with the other 2, then the sandwich actually tastes better. And I don't know whether I will again buy this, but this is a hummus, and I have been wanting to try this hummus for the longest time. I got my hands on it, and that's why I bought it. And I'll try the other hummus that are there from the Wingreen's Farms, and will let you know whether I like those. So yeah, that's it for the food section. Now coming to the other sections, this is a crunchy that I've bought from Forever 21 because this looks so pretty and it's so Christmassy, and that's why I bought this. I actually fell in love with the color. This is red with, it's all Christmassy, so that's why, I don't know, I wore this once or twice, but I don't know whether I'll wear this out. But I actually love this. It looks so pretty. So that's it. And another one that I've bought is these sunglasses from Forever 21. in the winters it's very important that you wear a sunglass, and I had two sunglasses, but they are quite old, and that's why I wanted to buy a new one. And I actually love the frame. This is how I look in it. I love the broad structure of the sunglass, and I actually love sunglasses which are broad. And yeah, I actually love these ones. I'll be wearing this often, and these are quite handy. And I don't like the clothes section much in the Forever 21, but I love the accessory section in Forever 21. And I make sure that if I buy something from Forever 21, then they are accessories. And the last thing that I would want to show you is this Vaseline Intensive Care Spray Moisturizer Coco Radiant. This one. This is also easily available. I mean, I bought this last month only, and I've been started using this, and I loved it. First of all, it's Vaseline, and I love Vaseline. And moisturizer is very important in the winters, and it smells awesome. So yeah, that's it for this video. Also, I enjoyed my birthday, so that's also my favorite day. And yeah, I'll again do this in the month of December, and I hope you liked this video. If so, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to comment below, because that would motivate me even more. That's it for today. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed and stay positive. Bye.